Good morning, boys and girls. If you are listening to this recording, that means you are Group B and you are working independently from home on Monday, Tuesday, and of course Wednesday, and you will be present in school on Thursday and Friday. Boys and girls, if you are listening to this video, that means that you have already completed the attendance question, telling me how you are feeling today and telling me why you are feeling that way. If you did not complete this attendance question, I would like you to pause this recording and please go do that right now and then come back and continue listening to our morning meeting. All right, we're going to start with our October calendar. So it was a weekend, Saturday and Sunday, and after the weekend comes this day, and it is Monday. So boys and girls, if we're looking at Monday, that must mean that yesterday was, that is correct, yesterday was Sunday. And looking at Monday, that means tomorrow will be, that's right, tomorrow will be Tuesday. Very good. And we had our weekend, so it was Friday the 9th, then we had Saturday the 10th, Sunday the 11th, and today is Monday that's right, it is Monday the 12th. We have that ending to our word because they are ordinal numbers. So today is Monday, October 12th, 2020. Let's say that all together, boys and girls. Today is Monday, October 12th, 2020. Very good job. Alrighty, let's go to our place value days in school. Friday, we were in school for 23 days. That means today, that is correct. Today we are in school for 24 days. Boys and girls, if I'm going to count this, I'm not going to go back to 1. I'm going to count these longs by tens because we know that a long is 10 cubes. So we would count 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 because our ones are worth 1. So we are in school for 24 days. Boys and girls, what is 1 more than 24? That is correct. 1 more is 25. What is 1 less than 24, boys and girls? Yes, 1 less is 23. Now it's a little bit trickier. What is 10 more than 24? I'm going to imagine 1 more long there, and that becomes 34. And 10 less than 24, that means I would take one of those longs away, and that would give me 14. Good. Moving on to our tens frame, I'm going to take a dot and I'm going to move it right up into our tens frame. And I'm going to see that I have 1 full frame here and 1 full frame here. That means I can count them by, yes, I can count them by tens, and then I will start counting by ones. Let's double check that we have the right number. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Good job. We are in school for 24 days. That number matches. And our tally marks. I'm going to move a tally mark right up into this box. And then I'm going to give you a second to count those tally marks. If I'm counting the tally marks, I'm not going to go back and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I know that this is a group of 5, so I can count by 5s. Let's do it together. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20. Now we're going to count by ones, 21, 22, 23, 24. Very good. Moving on to our money. I have 23 cents in my piggy bank. I need to show 24 cents. So what would I do? If you said I would move a penny over into the piggy bank, you are absolutely correct. If I'm going to count the money in my piggy bank, what am I going to start with? Which coin? Yes, I'm going to start with the dime because the dime is worth the most amount of money. So I would count 10, 20, and then by ones, 21, 22, 23, 24. So I have 24 cents in my piggy bank. I can't make any exchanges. Oh, I'm missing a number there. I can't make any exchanges. So I have 2 dimes and 4 pennies. Remember that this is the way we show 24 cents using the dollar symbol and the decimal point. This is the way we show 24 cents using our cents symbol. All right, boys and girls, I want you to think about your feelings today, even though we're not sharing them here. You did already share them on your attendance paper. So go ahead and just think about that. I know that I'm feeling very, very excited. We have boys and girls coming into the classroom today, and your time is going to be on Thursday, so that makes me very excited. And our affirmation, boys and girls, we are going to be repeating our first 5 affirmations that we've already done. We're not going to do any new affirmations this week, so we're going to say all 5 of them together, and I'm going to do it on the count of 3. We will do all 5. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. I can do this. I am smart. I am friendly. I am awesome. I am calm. Very good job, boys and girls. Alrighty, I'm going to show you your checklist. Your checklist, boys and girls, is extremely important. You are group B, and group B, your day number 1 is Monday. So this is what you will be working off of today. Day number 1 is Monday, which means day number 2 is Tuesday, and day number 3 will be Wednesday. So today you are working on day number 1. Boys and girls, you need to follow your checklist to complete the work that is assigned to you today because you will be working independently. That means we will not be getting back on for any Google Meets anymore today. You will be completing your activities off of this checklist, and then at 2:15 this afternoon, you will go on to have your art special. So in social studies this morning, you are going to be listening to Officer Buckle and Gloria on Epic. If you go into Epic and click on your mailbox, you will see that I sent this book to you. However, if for some reason it did not come through, boys and girls, I need you to simply search for the book Officer Buckle and Gloria. It is a book that will be read to you. Then I want you to think about the classroom expectations, what it's going to be like in our classroom and how those expectations and those rules need to be implemented in order to have a great, safe learning environment. So I want you to think about what classroom expectations you think we should have after you listen to Officer Buckle and Gloria on Epic. That classroom expectations is a Google slide. So you're going to go into Google Classroom and you'll find it under Social Studies. And you'll complete that Google slide on classroom expectations. Then for tier time, you are going to go ahead and read independently. Boys and girls, please note there will be no spelling words this week. Okay? No spelling words this week. In language arts, you are going to be doing an Accelerate lesson, Module 5. Your lesson today is 5.1, and it is called Farm Visit. You also will complete 2 workbook pages, page 34 and page 35. However, you will note on the checklist here, I need you to just take a picture and upload page 34 into Google Classroom when you are finished with that. That is your brainstorming page, and I need you to just take a picture and upload that page so that I can see your brainstorming ideas. We're going to be using that brainstorming page on Tuesday and Wednesday, so you need to make sure you do complete that today. Please do not upload workbook page 35. I do not need to have that one uploaded. When you take your picture, please look at that picture and make sure that it is close enough and that I will be able to read your work before you upload it into Google Classroom. Again, you will be doing Accelerate, Lesson 5.1 Farm Visit, completing workbook pages 34 and 35, however, only taking a picture and uploading page 34 into Google Classroom when you are finished. Then you will move on to math. Math is Accelerate module number 5. It is skip counting to 1,000, which you are experts at, and making estimates. Again, Accelerate module 5, skip counting to 1,000 and making estimates. And you are going to complete workbook page 16 and, of course, going on and completing extra math practice. Okay, so Accelerate Module 5, Workbook Page 16, and Extra Math Practice. Boys and girls, you need to refer to your checklist throughout the day so that you are completing each and every activity that has been assigned to you. It is extremely important. This will happen again tomorrow, where you will listen to a recorded morning meeting, and then you will complete day 2 of the checklist. And then Wednesday, you will complete day 3 of the checklist. So you are only doing day 1 today. And of course, don't forget at 2:15, you are doing your special. Boys and girls, let me remind you again that Miss Remigio will be available for some quick questions for 10 minutes from 11:40 to 11:50, or another 10 minutes from 12:50 to 1 o'clock. So if you have a question on something, and you are unsure, you can log on to the Google Meet from either 11:40 to 11:50 or 12:50 to 1 o'clock, and I can go ahead and answer your questions at that time. Now, should your question be, I don't know what to do next? No, because we know that we're going to look at this checklist throughout the day today. All right, this is what you need to go by when you are completing your work at home independently. All right, boys and girls, I'm going to see you tomorrow morning for our Tuesday morning meeting. Have a great day of learning. Bye.